Today we are going to study Roman numbers. This is the part 1 of the video. There is a part 2 also. Roman numbers. In Hindu or Arabic numerals that we are frequently aware of, we have 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Corresponding to these numbers, we have some Roman numerals also, but they are only 7 in number. We have 7 symbols in the Roman numerals, namely I, V, X, L, C, D and N. We will know more about details of these Roman numbers. So I corresponds to 1 in our Hindu or Arabic numeral. 5 corresponds to V. X corresponds to 10, L corresponds to 50, C to 100, D to 500 and M to 1000. So the 7 symbols correspond to 7 different digits. Let's see the rules for these Roman numbers. Rule number 1. Repetition of a Roman number means addition. For example, I is 1. I is 1 plus 1, which is 2. 3 is I plus I, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Similarly, XX is 10 plus 10, which is 20. Let's see the next rule. Rule number 2. No numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. For example, I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, but I is not 4. We write 4 as IV and not I. So no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Let's see the next rule. Rule number 3. If a smaller numeral is written to the right of a larger numeral, it is always added to the larger numeral. For example, V and I is 5 plus 1, which is 6. XII is 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is 12. Let's see the next rule. Rule number 4. A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. For example, IV. I is written to the left of V. I is smaller than V. So we subtract. 5 minus 1 gives 4. IX. I is written to the left of X. So we subtract 1. 10 minus 1 gives us 9. Let us see the Roman numerals from 1 to 30. 1 is I, 2 is II, 3 III. 4, we can't repeat I 4 times. So it is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So it is IV. For 5, we have a symbol V. 6 is 5 plus 1, VI. 7 is VII. 8, VIII. 9 is 10 minus 1. So it is IX. For 10, we have a symbol X. 11 is XI. 10 plus 1, 11. 12 is XII. 13 XIII. 14 XIV. 15 is XV. 10 plus 5, 15. 16 XVI. 17 XVII. 18 XVIII. 19 XIX. 20 XX. 10 plus 10, which is 20. 21 XXI. 22 XXII. 23 XXIII. 24 XXIV. 20 plus 4, 24. 25 XXV. 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. 26 XXVI. 27 XXVII. 28 XXVIII. 29, XXIX. 10 plus 10 plus 9. And 30 is XXX. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Thank you for watching this video. Do watch the part 2 of this video in which we will be seeing more rules on these Roman numbers. Thank you.